You can actually do a restart or a factory default reset on the flow meter. A restart means that you will, restart the device by keeping your initial settings, and also your historical data files will be kept. A restart of the device can be done through the transmitter. A factory default reset means that you go back to the original factory settings. This means that you will lose your initial settings and also your historical data log files. A factory default reset can be done either through a transmitter or through VP Studio 2. Now we will show you how to do this. For the factory reset, you go to the menu button, choose Factory Reset. A question is asked, all settings will be set to default and all sessions will be deleted. Are we sure? Yes, we are sure. And we press up and down to confirm. And again, press Enter to confirm. You will notice that the transmitter needs a few seconds to reset. Once that is done, you have completed your factory reset and you're good to go. To restart, press the menu button again, go to the Restart menu, press Enter. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. We press Enter again, and you will notice that it takes a few seconds to restart.